Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about tomatoes and their benefits for heart health. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. They are also a good source of lycopene, an antioxidant that has been shown to have many health benefits, including reducing the risk of heart disease. In this video, I'm going to discuss the link between tomatoes and heart health, and I'll also give you some tips on how to incorporate more tomatoes into your diet. So, how do tomatoes help the heart? Lycopene is thought to be responsible for many of the health benefits of tomatoes. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that can help to protect the cells in your body from damage. It has also been shown to help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, good cholesterol. A study published in the journal Circulation found that people who ate the most tomatoes had a 30% lower risk of heart disease than those who ate the least tomatoes. Another study found that people who took lycopene supplements for 12 weeks had lower LDL cholesterol levels and higher HDL cholesterol levels than those who took a placebo. In addition to lycopene, tomatoes are also a good source of other nutrients that are beneficial for heart health. These nutrients include vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. Vitamin C helps to keep your blood vessels healthy, potassium helps to regulate blood pressure, and fiber helps to lower cholesterol levels. How to incorporate more tomatoes into your diet? There are many ways to incorporate more tomatoes into your diet. You can add them to salads, soups, stews, and sauces. You can also eat them raw, cooked, or juiced. If you're not a big fan of tomatoes, there are still ways to get the benefits of lycopene. You can take lycopene supplements, or you can eat foods that are high in lycopene, such as watermelon, pink grapefruit, and apricots. So, there you have it. Tomatoes are a healthy food that can help to improve your heart health. By incorporating more tomatoes into your diet, you can help to reduce your risk of heart disease. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos about diet and health. Thanks.